Question number 6. The weight of 4 glasses are listed in the table in ounces. Glass W weighs 1/4 of an ounce. X is 8/20ths of an ounce. Y is 3/5 of an ounce. Z is 2/20ths of an ounce. Which list shows the glasses ordered from greatest to least? I have to compare these fractions, but I can't compare the fractions until all of the denominators are equal. Now I need to find the LCM of 4, 5, and 20 because those are my denominators. Well, I know 4 times 5 is 20, so I know 20 is on the 4's row. 5 is on the 20, has 20. And so I know the LCM for all of these is going to be 20 on bottom. Now that I understand that, let's change our fractions that don't have a 20. My fractions that don't have a 20 are 1/4, and I want 20 on bottom. And my other fraction that doesn't have a 20 is 3/5, so I'll give it a 20 on bottom. I can use my multiplication chart and use my fingers by finding 1 and 4. I could slide over to the 20 and I'll find my equivalent fraction that way. Or I know 4 times 5 is 20, so 1 times 5 is 5. I know up here 1/4 is 5/20ths. Same thing for 3/5. I'm going to multiply by 4. 5 times 4 is 20. So 3 times 4 is 12. So up here, I don't have 3/5 anymore. Now I have 12/20ths. I could cross that off. Now I can put them in order from greatest. I want the greatest first. Which one has the biggest number on top? There's a 5, 8, 12, and 2. Well, 12 is the biggest, so Y is the biggest. I'm going to look for lists that start with Y. List A starts with W. List B starts with Z. List C starts with Y. And list D starts with Y. So I'm only looking at lists C and D now. I'm going to cross off the 12. I used it. What is the next greatest? Well, the next greatest is 8. So that is X. So I'm going to go look for my list that says Y, then X. This says W, so it's not list C. The only list that has Y and X in the first position is D.